Hello, this is Two Girl. What's up? Today I'm going to talk about the Ryobi fan, and this is what it looks like 360. Let me turn it around. This is the back. So what's cool about this fan is that the head can turn almost any direction you want. So for example, you can make it go all the way, facing all the way up. Like so. Or it can go all the way to the left. And then the other way around it. And it even face down. That as far as could go. So you can also clamp this to a 1.5 size material, for example wood or pipe. And let me try with my arm. It's not really comfortable, but yeah, you get the idea. So you can walk around like this with it. Just kidding. Okay, and it had 2 speeds, 1, 2, and the middle is the off. So let me show you how strong it is. You just need to plug into a battery like this. Okay, this speed 1. Oh, it's nice breeze. Okay, so it's a little noisy than I expected, so I'm not sure if that's just the one I got or it's just how it, designed. But yeah, I think it's great to have during the summer, if you want to put it in a small space, for example, inside a car, or might even carry with you when you go to a theme park in a hot summer day. It might be a little bit big, but yeah, it might work. So check it out at Home Depot, and it's selling for $19, I believe. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you later. Bye.